Hey, book lovers! Welcome to iWhere Official. Is your Kindle displaying content that doesn't match your current surroundings? Had enough of reading about the Arctic while you're enjoying the sun? Unlock a hidden feature on your Kindle location change. Let's explore why and how to use it. Why do you need to change location on Kindle? Access more books. Some books are only available in certain regions due to distribution rights and licensing. Prices for the same book can vary between regions, allowing you to find better deals. Certain content, such as magazines or newspapers, might be restricted to specific regions. Method 1. Changing location on Amazon website. To switch the location of your Kindle and access content from a different region, sign in to your Amazon account. Go to your Content and Devices, select the Preferences tab, click Change under Country Region Settings, and enter the new address for the desired country. Then, click Update to save the changes. Method 2. Using Location Changer. Check out iWhere iPhone Location Changer. With this app, you can set a fake location on your iPhone, protecting your privacy without alerting others. It's fast, undetectable by apps like Kindle, and offers many benefits. It comes with 4 different movement modes, but one mode is enough to manage Kindle's location. First, find and install the iWhere iPhone Location Changer from the official website. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB. Open the iWhere app on your computer. Then, choose the desired location you want to set on your iPhone. You can search for a specific location or select a point on the map. After that, click the Modify button to change your iPhone's location. You can use different modes like one-stop, multi-stop, joystick mode, and custom speeds to make the movement appear more realistic. Method 3. Using a VPN. You can use a virtual private network. Start by selecting a reputable VPN service such as NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Surfshark. Download and install the VPN app on your device. Once installed, open the VPN app and log in with your credentials. From there, choose a server in the location you desire. For example, if you want to access content available in the US, connect to a US server. Method 4. Contacting Amazon Customer Service. If you'd like to change your Kindle's location, contact Amazon Customer Service. Go to the Amazon Customer Service page and choose the option related to managing your account or devices. Use chat, email, or phone to request a change in your Kindle's location and explain your needs. The customer service representative will guide you through the process of updating your location settings. Each method offers a reliable way to enhance your Kindle experience. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.